This house, designed as a single-story structure by the architects Besonías Almeida, is located in a rural development of large lots, built on the former ranch lands of the Pampas Plains near Buenos Aires, Argentina. The surroundings are characterized by the gentle curves of the countryside where the house was built and the native vegetation, which plays a key role in its design. Pilará House occupies an irregular corner lot, slightly elevated compared to the surrounding streets. The sidewalks are lined with young catalpa and maple trees. The house features an interesting open grid layout and internal courtyards that vary according to the use of each space. These courtyards enrich the environment, creating multiple perspectives while also allowing areas to be connected or separated. As soon as we step through the door, we come across a cozy retreat near the dining room, designed for lounging, reading, or watching TV, featuring a large bunk bed as its main element. The house includes a master bedroom with an ensuite bathroom and a spacious closet, 2 guest bedrooms with a shared bathroom, a large social area with an integrated kitchen, and, connected to it, the laundry room and maid's quarters. It becomes evident that the social area of the house was conceived as a sequence of enclosed and open spaces that interconnect, with their essence revealed as you move through them. Deliberately, the design avoids revealing the entire layout at a single glance, encouraging exploration and appreciation of each thoughtfully designed space. The rear facade of the house is completely open, featuring large windows and a wide veranda with a pergola. These courtyards serve both to connect and separate areas, but their primary purpose is to integrate the landscape into the architecture itself. Living in this house becomes an experience where the boundaries between indoors and outdoors blend, allowing us to enjoy the climate and a landscape with native vegetation that changes throughout the year. The house is enclosed on 3 sides with vertical quebracho wood screens, known as brise soleils, which filter views from the streets and neighboring properties, ensuring privacy in all rooms and controlling sunlight exposure in different orientations. To ensure the height difference between rooms isn't noticeable from the outside, which would weaken the concept of a single volume, the social area and entry hall have a height of 10 feet, while the bedrooms have a ceiling height of 8.5 feet, with the floor raised 18 inches above the entrance level. The difference is connected by a gentle ramp right at the entrance. This space not only serves as a circulation area, but also features a large window that reveals the main courtyard and its vegetation. Ending in a small garden, it offers views of the surroundings and separates the master bedroom from the guest bedrooms.